uncle of Larry Millete is coming to his nephew's defense tonight in advance of a gun violence restraining order hearing set for next week. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
And I'm Kirsten Holmes. Carlo and Barbara Lee have the night off. As News 8's David Gottfredson reports, Larry Millete's uncle filed a declaration in court saying his nephew is very loyal to his missing wife, Maya Millete.
This was the scene on April 1st at the Encanto home of Ricky Lincoln, the uncle of Larry Millete. Chula Vista police showed up with a search warrant and seized at least 5 guns and 5 lower assemblies from stripped-down AR-15 rifles. That, according to court records filed in a gun violence restraining order against Larry Millete, the husband of missing mother, Maya Millete. On Wednesday, Ricky Lincoln filed this declaration in court defending his nephew Larry. Quote, "Larry is hurting. The threats on social media and the incorrect news reporting doesn't help either. Last I heard, in this country, you're innocent until proven guilty." Maya Millete, the mother of Larry's 3 children, went missing on January 7th from the couple's Chula Vista home on Paseo Los Gatos. Every weekend, volunteer search teams have been out looking for Maya, her belongings, or possibly her remains. In his declaration, Lincoln says he's a retired Navy deep-sea salvage diver who worked with ammunition and explosives. Larry Millete also is a Navy veteran. "We both put our lives on the line and gave an oath to protect this country and the Constitution. He shouldn't have to be treated this way by the people, news media, or the authorities," the uncle said. Chula Vista police have also served 2 search warrants on Larry's house since his wife went missing, seizing guns in support of a gun violence restraining order. Uncle Ricky says his nephew's a good father. Larry's very loyal to his wife Maya and the children. Neighborhood kids have rung his doorbell and asked if Larry can come outside and play. Now, Larry Millete says he is a gun collector. Currently, all of his guns have been taken away by police, being held under a temporary gun restraining order. The judge will have to decide on Tuesday whether to extend that temporary gun violence restraining order for up to a year. Marcella?
David, do we know if Larry Millete has to show up for that court hearing?
I reached out to the San Diego City Attorney's Office, and they told me Tuesday's hearing will be conducted remotely, and because it's a civil hearing, Larry Millete does not have to appear, although he could appear if he wanted to, probably remotely from his attorney's office.
All right, we'll have to wait and see. Thank you so much for that update and that perspective from Larry's uncle.